Unga, are you enjoying?
Yes,
What are you doing?
playing army.
Playing army. This looks like a very big tree.
I'm using it as our big tanks.
Oh, okay.
And Ma,
Huh.
this middle one here
Huh.
is called
Mm-hmm.
the Tera barrel gun. You know why?
Hmm.
Because it looks like the gun is going to shoot there, but it's actually going to shoot front.
Oh, like
So you're going
that.
to trick your enemy.
Acha. Unga is enjoying in Gigi Kakam's field.
All they just do is work all day and eat food.
Hmm. Does Unga find it interesting here?
Yeah.
Hmm. Oh, there in the background we can see Gigi and Kakam. Gigi is making a sit out where we can sit outside, and here
Yep.
Unga is playing,
And Aggi is there.
and Aki is there very busy taking video. You see the hills at the back.
Why don't you go from there
See,
and
so
show
many
them
layers of hills.
Ma,
Huh?
why don't you go back there and show them?
All right, I will show them. Kakam is telling, oh, Kakam is telling, let us go home. This is a cucumber. See, cucumber. Oh, we can see the fruit. See, cucumber. This is the field. We're gonna put paddy day after tomorrow. See, Unga is enjoying a lot. He loves playing here.